The Message of the Birds. The old owl began a story he had told many times over the years. Long ago, in a simple stable, a child was born, and as he lay, the animals of the stable tenderly watched, and there were birds in the rafters listening to the gentle cooing and gurgling of the baby. But what they heard in his voice were the words of a song that they would carry throughout the world. It was a special song of blessing, of joy, and goodwill. "Why don't we sing it any more?" asked the robin. "People don't listen," said the partridge. "Why not?" asked the cuckoo. "Perhaps it is the language they no longer understand," said a lark. "But if they listened with their hearts," suggested the little robin. "Hearts understand every language, don't they?" "Some people think the message is for others and is not meant for them," said the owl. "I think many have had their ears closed for so long they don't remember how to listen," said the hoopie. "The children," said the robin softly. "We should sing it for the children," he continued. "They would listen and they would understand the message." For a moment there was not a sound, and then suddenly the branches were alive with twittering and chirping and every kind of bird sound. They all agreed. "Tell every bird you see," the owl said. "Tell them wherever they fly to whisper the message. Sing it softly to every child." The birds flew in every direction. Some had long journeys, but wherever they flew, they sang and whispered to bird after bird. And to child after child. Then one night, it was time. A big, bright, beautiful star shone down over the earth. A child came with a little lantern and reached out to hold the hand of another. She held the hand of her brother, and he reached for the hand of a friend. People came with candles, lights, and torches to see what was happening. They saw hands linked together, white hands, brown hands, black hands. Children everywhere were joining together. The children had heard the message of the birds, and what had started as a whisper now resounded from shining faces all over the world. For you see, hearts do understand every language. Hear us, hear the message. Let there be peace, peace on earth.